If I said I love you, would you say it back? Of course. I love you. It back. Listen here, you little shit. Mimetic. Pay $5 a month to get rid of the watermark. Me. Crops out watermark. Mimetic. Listen here, you little shit. When is you birthday? May 15th. What year? Every year. Listen here, you little shit. Write 80 to 100 words. 80 to 100 words. Teacher. Listen here, you little shit. Me, I need help with the school presentation. My mom. I can't. I'm cooking. Me. Just pause it. Listen here, you little shit. Mobile game. Remove all ads for $4.99. Me. Turns off Wi-Fi. Mobile game. Listen here, you little shit. Me, mom. Why are you calling me every day? Mom. Other parents call their kids every day as well. Me. If other parents jumped off a cliff, would you? Listen here, you little shit. My friend. Truth or dare? Me. Truth. Who's your crush? Give me a dare instead. I dare you to tell me who's your crush. Listen here, you little shit. My atheist teacher. Have you ever seen God? Me. No. Then how can you believe that he exists? Me. Have you ever seen your brain? Teacher. Listen here, you little shit. Me, he died of natural causes. Cop. You pushed him off the roof. Me. Gravity's natural. Cop. Listen here, you little shit. Me, knocking on the door. Friend. Who's there? Me. It's me. Open. Friend. I don't know you. Open. Me. Listen here, you little shit. Every time you eat something, you just make your skull dirty. Listen here, you little shit. Person. Has different opinion, or says something stupid. Hold it. Listen here, you little boomer. Waiter. What would you like to eat? Me. Food especially. Waiter. Listen here, you little shit. Me, gets cat litter box, so she can shit in it. My cat. Shits outside the litter box. Me. Listen here, you little shit. When anyone disagrees with me, listen here, you little shit.